Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel and to our Project Maxima series. In this video, I will be replacing the lower control arms in my 2013 Nissan Maxima. So the control arms that I'll be installing in this video come from a company called A Premium. Now, if you've ever searched for parts online, especially on Amazon, the A Premium brand may have popped up in your searches. The reason why I went with these is because they're very reasonably priced and the reviews are pretty good. I'll leave a description in the comment section below if you guys are needing a pair of these for your project. Like always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start mechanicking. Alright, let's compare the old control arm with the new. The reason why I'm replacing these is because the bushing is pretty much blown out. The ball joint there doing this pancake thing. Now the new one is spec'd out like the OEM, so it should be a seamless fit. That's what the new ball joint looks like compared to the pancake one there. Yeah, let's keep mechanicking. So I'm just going to move along into doing the passenger side control arm. Now the first part of the video, when I was doing the driver's side control arm, I kept the spindle on and then used a pry bar to pretty much just move things out of the way. But in this part of the video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take off the spindle, brake rotor, and get that caliper out of the way to literally just pull out the control arm. Just want to show you guys two ways of installing these control arms. So let's keep mechanicking. Okay, so here we are, and as you can see, by removing the spindle, brake rotor, and getting the caliper out of the way, I've created all kinds of space here. And all that's left to do now is just pull out the old control arm and install the new one. So full transparency, this project came with a couple of surprises. I found blown out CV axles on the driver and passenger side. There was grease slung everywhere, so I decided to run down to AutoZone and pick up a couple of CV axles and get those replaced really quick. You know, and I figured why not, since I have everything apart. So that explains the brand new axles that you see. You're like, hey, wait a minute, you know, it was all dirty and greasy and everything, and now it's looking shiny and brand new. It's because in between the disassembly, I decided to go and get the CV axles just put in. Now, in the future, I'll probably do a installation video on CV axles, and they're pretty easy to do. So either or. What I'm going to do now is put everything back together, button everything up, and then we'll wrap it up. So let's keep mechanicking. Okay, that wraps up another project. Now I'll have a link in the description below of all the items that I used in this project. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I've got a few more things coming up for Project Maxima, so I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Volcanic. Aloha.